In a bustling city, a quiet barista trades latte art for late dawn climbs, discovering stubborn, shining strength. Each blistered morning becomes a lesson as the barista maps a route up a dormant volcano near the Emerald Coast. A mentor shares a simple creed: patience over pace, turning small miles into steady mountains conquered. Slowly, the barista swaps excuses for effort, posting modest runs that inspire coworkers to lace up together. When the volcano finally breathes sunrise, the barista steps onto the summit, a transformed athlete with renewed purpose.